Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a gun that looks like this. This is what you're going to need. You're going to need 4 sheets of paper, a pencil, tape, and scissors. First, you're gonna take the first sheet and roll it up like this. Don't make it too small though. It's good to have it a size like this. And then you're gonna tape it up. Then you're going to take your other sheet and roll it up around the first tube. And you're going to tape it. And then you're going to want to take out the one from the inside. You're not going to want to take it out completely. You want to put it right before it's going to come out. And then you're going to tape it together. And then you're going to take your another sheet, roll it up like this. For this one rolled up, you might want to make it kind of small, but not like really small, because this is going to be the scope and handle. And you're going to tape it. Then you're going to want to cut it in half. You're going to want to save this piece because we're going to need to use it later. And you're going to want to put this on the very edge. And you're going to want to tape it there. And then you're going to take this and your pencil, and then about an inch from one of the ends, you're going to mark it. We'll try to make this quick. Then from the mark to the corner, you're going to cut a diagonal. Then you're going to put it right, tape it right here, like that. And you're going to want to take another sheet and roll it up like this. And you're going to tape it. Then you're going to want to, doesn't really matter where you put it, you can put it anywhere, but I like to put it right here. And then it'll be done.